What's up, y'all? Beef coming at you with another vlog. So today was supposed to be more studio footage with Milk, so I'm still working on those 2 songs. I have to do guitar and vocals for another one, and then they'll be done. That should be out in February. But I realized I talk a lot about my solo music on this channel, but I wanted to show you the band that I play, and I play guitar in a band called Birdlaw. So today I'll be showing you practice with Birdlaw. So come along.
I told you what happened with the vocalist, right? Comeback Kid. Like I was like side stage, just like watching them for like half the set, and he like came over like in between a song, and he was like out of breath, and he was just like, he like looked at me, and like I didn't know if he recognized me, but he was like, "What's the name of that first band?" And I like, and no one else like said anything, and I was just like, "Payasa." And he was like, "Yeah." He was like, "Yeah, oh yeah." Great band. Yeah, and then he just like went back up on the stage. He did not shout it out for a while, but he did eventually.
Punk hardcore photos.
I just saw it and I was like, yeah, this song's dead to me, dude. We got 2 new ones. I'm gonna watch this YouTube video. Let's warm up, play like 2 or 3 songs, let's play the new ones, and let's write a fucking intro.
On the bottle it says compare with Metal Music.
Yeah.
How's it treating you? This is my first time trying it. So I need some fiber. Yeah. I got a vitamin C thing in here as well.
Oh, dude, you're gonna be shitting, dude. 1, 2, 3.
Alright. Well, give me. Oh, yeah, next thing.
I was talking about adding like one more, but we decided not to. I got like a couple riffs in the back. What you got? Just the same riffs I've got.
Oh.
Yeah.
Do you want to use those for the intro?
Yeah, because we could make like we could make that part kind of crazy or something.
Yeah.
Oh, damn.
I actually went through the Tiger Woods drive-through today, and I was like kind of trying to. I like didn't know if I wanted it, but I was like hungry. But it was like 2 o'clock, and I worked till 6, and then came here, and I was like, "Can I get a beefy 5-layer?" And they're like, "That's it." And I was like, "Yeah." And they're like, "Do you want a drink or hot sauce?" And I usually get hot sauce. And I was like, "No." I'm like, "Okay, this amount." And I was like, "Okay," and I just like drove away. Yeah, I was like, I don't want this.
Dude, sometimes it's like that. Where you're like you ordered it and you're just like, why am I here? Like, why did I just do? Why did I just get this?
So I just drove away. So somebody got a there, I'm sure.
Did you pay for it?
No.
Oh, nice.
I just drove.
Sometimes it's like that.
Yeah. I didn't even wait in line. It was like you could get out. So I just
Just now?
So.
He's a sweetheart. Yeah.
It does not have a DVD player.
Yeah.
You can go back to Taco Bell and be like, yo, I was here earlier, and like,
I ordered something and I didn't get it.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Thank you to everyone that watches these. I plan to just make music and videos and more music and more videos for as long as I possibly can. So more of these on the way. Get subscribed so you don't miss any, and check out the catalog. I got a lot of videos out now, so give it a check it out. Keep your eyes out for the new solo music, new Bird Law, all kinds of new stuff coming your way from me over here at Studio Beef. So be kind, be you, most of all stay beefy, and we'll see you in the next one. Smash a like on this video if you liked this video, and smash a like on this video if you didn't like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching. See you in the next one.